Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we have something new from Instagram where they are testing out Instagram subscriptions for creators to earn some new revenue. Now a lot of platforms are moving into the paid subscription business model. You saw it with Snapchat, and now Instagram wants to introduce it to the world. So it says it's launching in the initial alpha test in January, but now tens of thousands of creators in the US now have access to Instagram subscriptions. So it doesn't look like it's a worldwide rollout just yet. And what you get is subscriber chat. So you can start a private chat with your subscribers if they are a paying member, and it automatically ends after 24 hours, and you can do up to 30 people. So the next one we have is exclusive posts and reels. So you can post an Instagram post or an Instagram reel just for your subscribers, similar to members only videos on YouTube or something like that. Everything will be behind a paywall. Then you get the exclusive tab on the profile, which is a destination for all things subscriptions, so where you can manage all your subscriptions and everything like that. So when it comes to the rest of the world, I will be doing more videos on this, but this is the Instagram subscriptions. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.